Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Muhammad Shariful Islam Faisal before you. Today I am going to describe a cue card related to place. The cue card is describe an important river in your country. Well, in my entire life, I have seen a lot of rivers and waterways, but here I am going to talk about a particular one, which is really important in our national life. It's nothing but the Padma, the biggest river, run over the southern part of our country. The river I'm going to talk about actually has a countless importance in our individual as well as national life. The number one priority as far as I'm concerned is its economical impact on our GDP. It helps our GDP to grow in many ways. The river is full of natural beauty with thousands types of plants, colorful lands growing different kinds of crops around the river. All these things makes the river view picturesque, strikingly beautiful, breathtaking as well as eye-catching. Moreover, and perhaps the most important thing is that the river helps the people living around it in many ways, like irrigating the lands, growing different kinds of crops. Finally, I can say the river is used to transport the produced goods through the country. Considering all these things, the river is very important in our national life. That's all for the timing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.